Good morning, 2-3. So let's talk about, since it's project week this week, we have more time for Study Island. So what I did for this week was I assigned 5 different assignments for Study Island, so one for each day. So all of your assignments are not due until Friday night at 9 p.m. But I want to make clear that it's obviously easier for you if you spread out those assignments and do one a day. It's going to be a lot easier and quicker for you. Okay, and you won't feel so stressed out, which you shouldn't because project week, like I said, is very light work compared to a normal week, especially when you have been caught up with all your work and been handing everything in, okay? So I just want to make clear that again, for Study Island, you have the entire week to do your assignments. It is not due until Friday at 9. So here in the instructions, I just am reminding you again that your usernames and passwords were posted on your Google Classroom stream. Many of you went on Friday for the first time and did your assignments. Watch this video that I'm posting right now, and then this just goes into how you have the week to complete all your assignments. Take your time. Make sure that you're doing it correct to earn those blue ribbons. And then I put the titles of the assignments that you need to complete for the week right here, and reminding you that you need to do the lesson and then the practice, okay? So just to go over the title of the assignments, for reading you have 2. One of them is on themes and morals, which we've done in class, and we spent a lot of time on that, so I'm making sure that you still remember. And the other one for reading is nonfiction, which is text features, which again we've done in class. Math, we've actually done both of these. We're doing addition and subtraction to 100. That's a review from module 5. And then basics of multiplication is what we're doing now in module 6. And then writing, something that we always kind of need to go back to and make sure we're doing right, is a review on capitals and when to use capitals, okay? So these are your 5 assignments. Now when you go into Study Island, again, I'm in a student's, just so you have a look at it. It only shows some of your active assignments. It's not going to show all of them, okay? And active assignments meaning these are all your assignments that you have right now. So to see all of your assignments that you have, because you don't have to do your assignments this week in any order, you could choose what you want to do first and anything like that. You would go to My Classes. Sorry about that, it kicked me out. But now I'm back in. So when you go into My Classes, it's going to look like this. You would click here, View Assignments, and then here you see everything, okay? So for example, if you completed any assignments, it will most likely say completed here and show what you've done. If you're in the middle of an assignment, it'll say in progress, showing you did not finish it yet. And then anything that you did not start, it's obviously going to be at the top and it shows not started. So these don't have to be done in any order. Like I said, they're all due Friday. So whatever you want to do first, that's up to you. That's your choice. So I'm just going to remind you a couple of things. When you do click start and then you come here, please remember that you have to do the 2 things that you have to do in order to get credit is the lesson and the practice. You can, of course, do game mode on your own time for extra practice and extra fun. That is totally up to you, and that's something that's there for you. But the 2 things that you have to do are, first, you have to watch the lesson, and the second thing is you have to do the practice. So remember that with the lesson, you would just click on it, and I just want to remind you that it reads to you. You just go to Tools, and then you come here, and you hit the play. And then remember, it's going to read to you. And remember, it does the same thing for your questions, that when you're in your questions, okay, you would just go to practice, and then you would go to tools, and then again, remember that you can make the text bigger, smaller, and then you would click the play, and you also have the highlighters, okay? So these again are just some tools that you have when you're on Study Island. And like I said, the game, you could do the game for fun if you wanted to, but the lesson and the practice have to get done, okay? So that's pretty much it for Study Island. Again, take your time. It is not due until Friday, so you have all week to do it. 1 assignment a day so you don't feel overwhelmed. And then if you these are all your titles. But if you need any help with the questions or you're stuck on something, please let me know. I'm here to help. And again, have fun with Study Island. A lot of you earned blue ribbons I saw on Friday, so congratulations. And I hope you keep earning more blue ribbons.